So I used the tool and voila. Never again have I gone back to using the blender. Now I just use my immersion blender to mix stew. Hi everyone. Okay guys, so I mean, we're all stuck at home, we're doing all this cooking, and you know, for me, whenever I cook stew, I cook in bulk, right? And you know, obviously growing up, a lot of us probably, if we grew up in a place like Nigeria, a lot of times we will blend our pepper in bulk, and we'll go to places like the market and they would use these big blenders, and then they blend the bulk pepper and you have it for months, right? But for us, you know, that in the Western world, I'm sure some people now, even that don't go to the market in places like that, they would probably typically use these blenders. And we all know what quantity of pepper in a Nigerian household you can get with that. So you would have to blend so many times, okay? So I used to hate the process, right? One day about 6 years ago, my blender broke right in the middle of me cooking pepper, and most frustrating thing. So I thought about it, because sometimes I would make like tomato soup, right? And we all know the tomato soup recipe, you would recommend use an immersion blender, blend the pepper. So that was all the tool I had in the house. So I said, you know what, let me try and use this tool to finish up my pepper. So I used the tool and voila. Never again have I gone back to using the blender. Now I just use my immersion blender to mix stew. And guess what? I can make as much as this quantity. Completely blended. No lumps, no tomatoes, no onions, everything all blended together. Look at how much we have. And let me tell you, the beauty of this whole thing is, you see this tool, right? When you're done, all you need to do is take the top off like that, just like that, and you have just this tool to wash. Look at that. All that blending, just a pot and this. And then the rest of your equipment, you can store it away, wash that, and you're done. All right guys, so we're all done, and look at that. That's all the stew we have. Honestly, it's been a lifesaver. I hope this helps somebody that has been dreading using that. I think that, you know, this tool, the immersion blender, using it for our pepper is just so convenient. So if anyone, again, I'm going to show you how deep this pot is. This is a really deep pot, guys. And so if you don't know this method, you know, don't forget to tell somebody you learned it from me if you don't know it yet. But otherwise, I hope this is a blessing to somebody, because it's really helped me. And look out on yorubaforkids.com for the recipe, and we will make a video for it also soon with the kids, you know. So, all right, have a great weekend. Bye.